This is a demo of Qimera 1.5's new capability to do cooperative cleaning. What that allows you to do is to take a large survey area. Under the project menu, you can create cleaning projects. You can give your cleaning projects a name. My cleaning projects. For example, you can specify the number of rows and columns you want to cut it into. You can also specify the path that you want to save the data to. For example, in Dropbox if you want to share it with some colleagues, or on a USB disk if you want to pass it around the office. Click OK. This carves this dynamic surface into small pieces, one for each cleaning project. Creates a new project, puts the dynamic surface in there, as well as the QPDs that belong in that surface. It copies them into that subproject. Once that's done, it creates a number of outlines of each project area, so that you can keep track of what areas that you've checked out, and if you like you can color code them red, for example, to indicate that you've sent them off to people to clean but you haven't received them back. So let's look at what this looks like from the point of view of a data cleaner. So let's close this project and open one of the cleaning projects. Number 5, for example. You'll see this cleaning project has the small area that is meant to be worked on. It's got a copy of all the QPDs that intersect that area, even though they might run outside of that area. And it's got a copy of 2 graphical objects, one showing the overview outline and the checked out area. So let's get to work here. Click on this, hit Z to zoom to bounds, and let's clean a few spikes. Let's first tip into 3D mode. And I'll apply a strong spline to the surfaces files inside that selection and go. And that clean the spikes. And let's do the same thing here, for example. And here. And let's do something silly here where we'll put a little hole to see what it looks like when you bring that back in, to show how you can verify the cleaning work that's been done by someone. So what I'll do is filter all the soundings inside that selection, make a hole. And there we go. Okay, so we're done the work in this project. It's the cleaning project again, so let's close it and open the main project. So the other new entry to bring things back in is in the project menu. You'll see Apply Cleaning Project Edits. If you select that, you navigate to the directory that holds the project that you have. It's a cleaning project, in this case number 5, which we worked on. And that brings in the cleaning flags, applies it to the QPDs I have in the project. You'll see that down here. There's a record of what's been edited. And then you'll see that some of those spikes are indeed gone, and then I also see a big hole. And I can see that the person's made a mistake here, so what I can do is choose to accept all soundings inside that selection. Change to a selection tool, so I can revert their cleaning if I like. And recover from that type of error. What I can also do is maybe color code this one green to say that's been checked back in and I accept it. You can also set up a subgroup in here. Add a group, cleaned, and I'll select number 5 and move it into there. And I can keep track of what's been brought back into the group and what's not. And that's it, cooperative cleaning in Qimera 1.5.